with Fae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in to another soap making adventure. We're going to be making some cupcake soaps today, and they're going to be some green tea, lemongrass scented ones. I am going to get started here with mixing up the base of the cupcakes. And before I do, I'm going to add some of my goat milk in there. There's also my kaolin clay already in there. Got my lye solution. All of this is left at room temperature. The lye solution has sodium lactate and tussa silk in it. I'm going to go ahead and combine the two of these. Actually, even before I do that, I got to do something else. These are all going to be one color. You hear that? Those are the lovely sounds of Jake brakes. That is just crazy and rude. Some of these truck drivers that come through here, I tell you. All right, lemongrass and green tea cupcakes. I figured lemon drop would be a nice base color. So we'll pop that in there, give this a mix, and then I'm gonna pour in my lye solution and my fragrance, and then we'll just pour and work on the icing. So next we're going to pop in our fragrance. It is lemongrass and green tea by Crafter's Choice. And it has notes of soothing green tea, fresh lemongrass, key lime, some verbena leaf, white ginger, warmed by vanilla bean, and some golden amber. And it has 0.2% vanillin in it, but I don't think it's going to do much damage as far as discoloration. I'm going to hand mix that in and then get my cupcake molds over here. Start pouring in this base. So I have those scooted off to the side so that we can work on the frosting while those set up. I have got some Enchantment Mica. This is by Nurture. Put a bit of that in there. Same with the goat milk. Put that in there. Give that a mix. Pour in the fragrance, let that set up till it's at an icing consistency. Usually I like to over mix this so that it's a very thick trace so it sets up faster. Alright, get some little dollops on here, get these iced. If you follow me on TikTok, you might know that this isn't the first time I've made these. These were inspired by my brother-in-law, Brad's brother, and my sister's husband. Yes, they're married. I think I've said that before, but he has a TikTok, and we decided it would be fun to have him over to make soap that looked like food. Now, he has about 500 plus thousand subscribers over there, so he's doing pretty well for himself, and he does a lot of food stuff, stove and garden. Let me know if you have heard of him. Every time he calls me, he has something, or every time I see him and he calls Brad, he has something fun and interesting going on, like a sponsor, or like Denny's wants to fly him out to their test kitchen to make up a recipe, something about Good Morning America interview. I mean, he's doing pretty good for himself over there. So we did a little collaboration and made these same exact cupcakes. Now, I had to laugh at him because he doesn't know how to ice a cupcake, and it was quite hilarious. He made these little lime slices. He dehydrated them, so I thought since there was some left over, I would do a little video on TikTok. And I'm just short some icing here. Come on, Tierra. Get on there. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it work. Yeah. I'm not the greatest at TikTok icing cupcakes either, but it was quite hilarious seeing him ice the cupcake. So if you have a TikTok, head on over there, check him out, give us a thumbs up. He has a special code, if it's still even going by the time this video comes out, that is on his TikTok for a discount on some soaps if you are interested. So let's go ahead and stick these little lime slices on here. But I let him design these cupcakes, pretty much told him to pick out the colors. He wanted to do the cupcakes, and here we are. They will kind of look like they're real, that they could be real cupcakes and you could eat them, but at the same time, they are soap. Plain and simple. No glitter, nothing. We just wanted them to look like real cupcakes. So I'm gonna let these sit for 24 hours. And then I'll come back and unmold them and show you guys what they look like on the inside. Alright, let's go ahead and unmold a few of these. See what the bottoms look like. Plain and simple. I wanted these, well, we both wanted these to resemble food. We wanted them to be very realistic looking, so you couldn't tell the difference between the fact that they're soap and cupcakes. So simple design, kind of plain, but they smell delicious and they look realistic. Like, I didn't even want to put glitter on these. We just kept them how they were. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these, they will be available on the next shop update, which will be on August 29th, which is going to be Sebastian's first birthday. So we had to have cupcakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new and haven't done so already, subscribe. You know you want to. Join me for more fun soap making adventures. And if there's any questions or comments, or if you have ever come across my brother-in-law on TikTok, let me know. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.